Using a detailed storyboard to video is honestly the easiest way to get that high-quality look in your AI animation. Even it's fantastic for cinematic AI filmmaking. Surprisingly, this approach unlocks perfect consistency for long AI videos. Stick around as Mila teaches you exactly how to do it.
Hello everyone, I'm Mila. Today, I'll show how to turn detailed storyboards into professional, frame-by-frame cinematic videos. Even though I've provided the master plan in the description, watch this video carefully to use it properly. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on 3 key objectives: optimizing our creative process within the Morphic Copilot interface, mastering detailed storyboard generation through effective prompting, and implementing a structured workflow to produce long-form videos with Seedance 2. So this is the main page of Morphic, where you can see all the cool tools it has to offer. You can get started right from this section. When you first log in, you'll see a few suggestions for workflows and tools. We're going to build our own workflow with the help of the Copilot today, and we'll handle everything directly in this chat. Honestly, it's really impressive. Okay, let's step back for a moment. I want to show you the main path to accessing the Copilot, and then I'll break down exactly what this is all about. So in Morphic Copilot, you can either pick a pre-made workflow or hit Build Workflow. A chat will open, it'll ask you a few questions to build your custom workflow, and then everything else just happens right there in the chat. As we've just seen, creating a workflow is straightforward. In essence, you're building a personalized project structure. Once saved, you can access it anytime, which saves you from the hassle of retraining the system or re-entering your requirements. The Copilot chat interface is designed for maximum efficiency. You can manage your entire creative process here, from character design and storyboarding to video generation and workflow configuration. It eliminates the need to switch between platforms. You simply input your requests, and the system handles the rest. Creating a detailed storyboard might seem simple at first glance, but it's more nuanced than that. A direct request often won't yield the quality you need. The most effective approach is to provide a reference sample and instruct the AI to build your storyboard accordingly. It ensures much higher consistency and quality. I've provided a comprehensive master prompt for storyboard creation. While it's very detailed, you don't necessarily need to complete every section. Simply combine the reference examples I've included with your project's specific story details and requirements. The AI will understand the context and generate the results you need. For those who require high-fidelity results that align perfectly with their original concept, I recommend completing the master prompt in full. Providing this level of detail alongside a reference image ensures the AI understands your creative intent with precision. This is the real value of the Copilot feature. You can request your detailed storyboard directly within the chat, and if any elements need adjustment, you can provide specific feedback to refine the output. It enables seamless, real-time iterations, which significantly streamlines your workflow. Since we all know our way around AI tools by now, I've decided to skip the basic how-to stuff. Instead, I'm just going to focus on sharing the pro tips and tricks that really make a difference. Now that we've nailed the perfect storyboard, let's get moving. It's time to animate these scenes. Don't worry about the complexity. I've included a comprehensive master prompt in the description that'll make the whole animation process a breeze. Here's a little secret. If you're working with Seedance 2, describing each shot in detail is definitely the way to go for the best results. But honestly, for general purposes, a solid, well-thought-out description paired with your reference storyboard is usually enough. That's how I've made all my videos so far, and the results have been fantastic. So I'm just going to walk you through the key parts of the platform and share some insights. Let me know what you think of this new, faster approach. Drop a comment and tell me if you have any suggestions or feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Quick heads up, definitely stay with me until the end of the video. I'll be sharing how you can turn a single storyboard into a complete, long-length video. In this part, you'll see that I started off by generating each storyboard shot one by one. But then, I switched things up and asked it to generate the entire video at once, instead of doing it scene by scene. So let's dive into how you can actually build a long video from a single storyboard. It's a great feature that the Workflow and Copilot team have made available right here. As you're observing, I've already established the initial storyboard and generated the first 15 seconds. In this step, I'm prompting the AI within the same chat session to continue the sequence and extend the video length. The key point here is consistency. To avoid unpredictable results, I suggest generating the video in 15-second intervals. Given the nature of Seedance 2 provides specific prompts for each segment, instructing the AI to continue from the final frame of the previous clip, while maintaining absolute character and environmental fidelity. All right, I think that covers everything. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help out if I can. You, my dear friends, thanks for sticking with me. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.